Hello and welcome to another update video about the NEAR protocol. It's been a while since I covered a NEAR. I would like to show you, just to put a bit of context around it, show you the video from the 5th of June, and then to show you how well the Elliott wave method was able again to predict a price move quite a long time in advance. At the moment, this is quite likely that we will see a little bit more upside in the wave E here, possibly to above $6, and then would see another move down, because a wave 4, first of all, often comes across as a triangle. This wave 4 is, this whole move is very corrective at the moment. Yeah, it looks just very corrective as a pattern itself. Yeah, a lot of up and down. Just as a wave 4, you would then expect the last move to be down, and that would be in line with this shorter time frame Elliott wave count. Okay, so let's take a look at where we actually are now. This was at 547. So as you can see here on the chart indicated, a 5-wave pattern would have then unfolded to the downside, finishing off this overall correction. So we came down perfectly in this 5-wave move down. Yeah, 1, 2. I have to adjust that because the video has been quite a while back, probably like this. Yeah. I disregard that long wick that is coming down. I believe that was a glitch on the exchange. And yeah, so what that shows us, that indeed we broke out to the downside. We did come up a little bit more here. Yeah, didn't quite get above the $6, but we came to 575. We then broke out to the downside. This here was the target area for NEAR, and you can see how perfectly the price has been adhering to it. Yeah, we are still in this target area, in this possible reversal area, and there is definitely a chance that we could have completed this correction down here at the low, because we came down in a 1, 2, 3, moved up in a 4 here, 3-wave move up, and then the wave 5 down, which was a lower low compared to the one from the 13th of June. Perfect. Yeah, you don't need more, you don't want more. Again, this is probably a glitch on the exchange. This wick down, I disregard it. And then we can see this already as a first wave up, a wave 1 coming down in a wave 2, moving up in a 3, and then it stops, unfortunately. And then it stops, and that is now what is a bit annoying, yeah, because there was a significant chance that we actually could turn around here. So this, at the moment, it is still okay to understand this as, right, the low could be in here, and that we moved up then here in a wave 1, moved down in 2, up in 3. Here it stops. Here it stops. This can't be a wave 4 anymore, so we'll disregard that. Okay, but we can still understand this as a 1, the high here. Yeah, then here a wave 2 down. Now let's just take a Fibonacci extension tool and measure actually the wave 3 high. If we reached here the 1.618 extension, now there you go. We didn't even reach the 1.618 extension, so this could not be a wave 3. Yeah, from that point of view, it also makes sense that we come down quite strongly. So for me at the moment, until we, unless we go below 327, this for me is just another wave 1 and 2. Just do that in another color here. 1, 2. Again, how far should that wave 2 actually come down? So it's already coming down quite strongly, as you can see. So if we measure that, wave 1 high to the low, yeah, it's come down to the 88.7% fib level at $3.40. That for a wave 2 is actually the absolute maximum it should really do. It definitely must not go below that that low at 326, 327. If it goes below that level, that invalidates this one too. And then I would have to assume that we have seen here just a corrective move, which means A, B, C, and we're coming down in an impulse that would take us below 288. So big warning here, if we make it below that swing low at 326, 327, my view is that we're also going to go below the $2.90 level. Yeah, very likely, okay. So, and this is currently here how I see the NEAR protocol. Big risk, yeah, but obviously at the moment also it's a key resistance, it's a key support level, that Fibonacci level that I just called out, that 88.7. And if we turn around here, yeah, then it should be a rocket start, because then we should see a wave 3 to the upside, which should again, yeah, where would that wave 3 take us? We can measure that here in green. Wave 1 up, 2 down. The next wave to the upside should take us to $5.26, pretty much to where the, very roughly where the 50-day moving average is up here in yellow. So there is two options here. Either we go lower now, and if we go lower than the current level pretty much at 340, if we go below 340, it just gets very unlikely that it still is a wave 2, and if we go below that 326, 327 level, it basically has invalidated here that bullishness in the chart, and then it just gets very likely that we are in an impulse down and that we will go below the low of the 18th of June. So then we will probably make lower lows compared to 288. Yeah, and yeah, this is where we are. You know, we are here in a possible reversal pattern, but now the price needs to deliver. You know, near needs to deliver, as the entire crypto market needs to. And obviously a breakout to the upside would also get more likely above $4.40. That's a key resistance level. So yeah, it's not very clear at the moment. You know, we have come down, we have completed 5 waves to the downside. We can count this overall correction definitely as complete, but it now needs to deliver. Yeah, we need to make this higher high now. Otherwise, it just will probably roll over here and continue what has already started with that move down. This move down, by the way, based on its depth, is a bit concerning. Yeah, it's coming down more than it ideally should do. I have to say that as well, especially as, you know, you can obviously draw a trend line here if you want to, and that was broken as well. Now, fair enough, only 2 touch points really, but it would have been good to see here a 3rd touch point, but we broke below it as well. Yeah, and then let's just take another look at the longer or higher level wave count. And from that point of view, you can see here, near protocol moved up in a wave 1, came down now here also in a wave 2. The wave 2 consists of a wave A moving up in a wave B, coming down in a wave C. That all worked out. I remember when we had this here as a reversal pattern. So anybody who went long here could have moved, made some profits, because up here I made you aware, especially when we moved, broke to the downside of that ascending wedge, then it could have taken some profits here, and then we really broke down here in this last wave down. Okay, so yeah, this is where we are, and we are now again in such a target area, in such a box where we have a chance to reverse, but we need one more higher high definitely to now continue that possible uptrend, which has already started. But again, you saw the depth and the length of that retracement, and that just is getting a bit concerning at the moment. So I gave you the key levels to watch out for, and hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.